Hi guys, welcome to part 5. Welcome to part 5 of my Les Paul build. Okie dokie. Last video you saw that I mentioned that there was a glue spot running down here and a few odd spots. Now, excuse me, to cover up those glue spots was to make it a burst. So it was amber, no, it was brown all over, just one coat, sanded it back, and then we got the wood green, and then we got some amber thin down and then lightly over the top, because I want to make this look a bit vintage and old. And then we put the burst in, which we went round and then feathered inwards, and then where it got a bit up into the amber too much, got a wet tea towel, a wet kitchen roll, and just feathered it back, and this is the effect I got. It's pretty good. I'm happy. So now we've got to, with all the tape that was on the side, I've still got some areas where the stain has come through, so we've got to scrape the binding, and that's my next job. And then we could put the neck on. So yeah, so that's that. So all good so far. Yep, so I'm going to scrape this and I'll be back and hopefully have the neck done next. Okay, so I'm ready to set the neck. We'll glue the neck in. I did a little bit on it this morning. We got serial number, which is my children's birthdays. Yeah, so this won't be sold, and I'll be keeping this one for forever. That's that. Did check out the serial number, and it's from a 1960s Gibson, so everything checks out there. So I'm going to use Type 1-2. I've used it on some ukuleles that I've done in the past, and yeah, so I'm just going to put this in. So I'll get on with this, do a little bit, clamp it, and I'll get back to you. So just want to basically cover everything, leave no gaps. And my dog is growling. Why you growling? So I tell you what, she's going to go off on one because the cat's coming back. Excuse me. And I don't want to disturb this video, so let me clamp this and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen now. Got the neck clamped to the body. I had to reset this one twice. There was a bit of a gap down here. It's fine now. It ain't bad. Every time I keep wiping this though, this glue just keeps coming, using it there. So it's well clamped. Lots of compression in there. Glued right to the end, although there's a bubble, so I want to get rid of that. I got my iron out because we had a compression failure with the clamps, and there's a little bit of a ding down there I want to rescue. And my dog's gone on the nutter, and there's a little bit of a ding there which I want to steam out. So that's that, and then take these clamps off in about 3 days. Make sure everything's nice and dry in there, and then we can start with colouring the back and the neck, which will be a nice dark cherry coke kind of colour, I think, on this one. A little bit of red. I'm not sure. I don't really want to continue with the brown on the back. And something different, something custom. Sorry, looking at my dog because he's chasing the cat. So yeah, that's that. So I'm going to fix these, and that's it for me done today. Cheers, guys. Catch me on the next one, and we'll start putting some bits on it, I think. Yeah, cheers, guys.